This is the down and dirty way to rekey your Kwikset Smart Key. Take your current key, put it in the keyway, and rotate it 90 degrees to the right. Then take your Kwikset Smart Key tool, put it in the slot located next to the keyway until you hear a click. Remove your tool, remove your old key, grab your fancy shiny new keys, put it in the keyway, rotate it 180 degrees to the left so that you can learn the bitting on your new key. Bring it back to the vertical position and remove. You have now just rekeyed your lock, your Kwikset Smart Key, to a new key.